Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I want all of you to please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. Our topic today is the difference between the preventive and corrective action, and also the difference between the verification and validation, and the difference between the efficiency and effectiveness. So let's discuss each contents or each term one by one in detail because all these terms look similar to one another but they are different. So let's start. Okay. What is corrective and preventive action? Corrective action to eliminate the cause of a detected non-conformity. Means in corrective action we identify the root cause according to the different non-conformity or different NCs. NCs can be system NC, product NC, process NC, and according to the different NC we modify our system, process, and product so as to eliminate the root cause. Preventive action to eliminate the cause of a potential non-conformity or other undesirable potential situation. Means in preventive action we eliminate the potential cause of a non-conformity, means which has high risk of occurrence level, and we identify that non-conformity or that NC to eliminate the root cause so that it will not cause any type of the issues or problem in the future point of view. The example of corrective action and preventive action is that, for example, band part reached to the customer end. Why the band part reached to the customer end? Because of the unskilled operator or the unskilled inspector who checked that part. Through YY analysis, we identified that it is a root cause, and the corrective action to remove that NC is that proper training given to the inspector, and the preventive action is that the limit samples are displayed at the final inspection stage so that this type of the issue will not happen in the future point of view. So this is about corrective and preventive action. Okay, now I want to tell you the difference between the preventive and corrective action. Corrective action is a reactive approach while the preventive action is a proactive approach. Means in corrective action we identify the root cause and according to the root cause we modify our process. While in preventive action we identify the potential cause of the failure. Uh, Means those failure which has high risk of priority or high risk of the occurrence, and according to the uh, potential for, according to the different NCs or different occurrence level we eliminate those defects. In corrective action, action taken on the root cause to prevent reoccurrence, while in preventive action, action taken on the potential cause of failure to prevent occurrence. Means in corrective action, we take action on the root cause so that this type of the problem will not happen in the future point of view. While in preventive action, we take the action on the potential cause of the failure so that any type of the issue will not happen in the future, and our process or our system will run smoothly. In corrective action implementation based on the customer complaints, product failure issues identified in the internal audits. While in preventive action implementation based on the product development stage through PFMEA and CAPA. Means in corrective action we take action based on the customer complaint or the internal audit. Different types of the audit, whereas system audit, product audit, or process audit. While in preventive action, action take on based on the product development stage through PFMEA. PFMEA means product failure mode of effective analysis, and CAPA means corrective action, preventive action. So there is a format to design the CAPA. In CAPA, firstly we write. First we identify the uh, mode of failure through Fishbone diagram. Then we identify the root cause through YY analysis. Then we write the corrective action and preventive action. So there is a format for defining the kappa. Later in next video I will tell you how to write the kappa format. Okay, now I want to tell you what is verification and validation. Verification and validation are independent procedures that are used together for checking that a product, service, or system meets requirement and specification, and that is full intent process. Means in verification validation are completely different from one another. In verification and validation we check our process system to check whether our system meets the customer requirement or not, means what the customer want and when they want, and we also check that our parameter were done according to the specifications or according to the given specification or not. Means our parameter will meet the required specification or not. These are critical components of a quality management system such as ISO 9001. So verification and validation works in ISO. Means ISO means International Standardization of Organization 9001. They work in ISO standard. Verification means are we building the system right, or validation means are we building the right system. Means in verification we check our parameters, all the given parameters will meet the required specification or not. And in validation, are we building the right system means our process or the our product will meet the customer requirement or not, means what the customer want and when they want. Difference between verification and validation is that validation is the process of checking whether the specification capture the customer needs, while the verification is the process of checking that the process meet the specification. Means in validation we check our specification or our parameters will meet the demand of the customer, means what the customer want and when they want, while the verification is the process of checking that the process meet the specification, means our process will meet the required specification. We run according to the given specification. So this is the difference between the verification and validation. So now I want to tell you what is efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means doing the right things, while the effectiveness means doing the right things. Okay, and the difference between the efficiency and effectiveness is that efficiency is the ratio of output upon input, and while the effectiveness is the to get the desired output. Means in efficiency we generate the required rate of the output, while in effectiveness we maintain our process so that we get the desired output that we want to achieve. Efficiency is based on the present state is considered, while in effectiveness future state is considered strategically. Means in efficiency we based on the present day-to-day wise basis. We run the process according to day-to-day wise procedure. Means all the process that we run will hit the target, while in effectiveness we consider our plans in future point of view. In efficiency doing things consistently, while in effectiveness innovative way of working. Okay, so this is the difference between the efficiency and effectiveness. So thank you. I hope all of you got understood the difference between efficiency and effectiveness, and the difference between verification and validation, and the difference between the corrective action and preventive action. So if you still have any doubts or query, please write in the comment section below, and if you like my video, please like it in my YouTube channel. So thank you. Okay.